Hello, this is Lucas here at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Today I'm showing you the new 2025 Sea Ray SLX 350. This is going to have the stone interior, nice Sea Ray blue side, plenty of seating for all your family and friends. This one's going to be paired with the gray sea deck. Coming on the transom here, you have a lovely sun pad that does fold back into the boat. Hydraulic swim platform with the underwater lights. Color changing speakers for the entertainment. This one's paired with the cockpit filler cushion that does become a table. Walking to the helm, dual SIMRAD screens. They are touchscreen. Nice build to dash. Easy to access thruster system and your throttles. Keys are right down here next to the seats. Bow filler cushions are put in today. Of course, a stainless steel windlass off the front with the optional water cleaner to clean off your anchor. Turning back around, you see all the space inside the 350 SLX. Again, my name is Lucas. Give me a call here today at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, and come see the SLX 350.